Hello, boss buddies. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope everyone is getting all your baskets prepared for Christmas. I've been running into a problem finding boxes for all of my gifts. And if you do find them in the stores, they're, kind of pricey. So I just decided to just start putting mine in bundles without boxes. So I call them Boxless bundles, Boxless gifts. Here's an example. Like I just basically put the items down inside of the bag. Or you could tape the items together before you put them in the bag. Like I did tape the necklace on the back of that because it kept moving around. And I did tape that little face mask. Okay, here's another one with the big boxes. With the bigger items, it's hard to find. It's definitely hard to find boxes for those. So, like, here's the front. And then when you flip it over, I just tape toys onto the back also. And then with this one, it's just a little notebook, and I got a sleep mask on the back, and on the front I got a kid's face mask and cookies. Yeah, this is a set of books, and I just put some pencils in it, and there's soap. That little thing that looks like a swirl candy, soap. And on the back, I just added this cute little reindeer headband, because I didn't want to put too much on the back, because I wanted everybody to be able to see the different books that was inside. And with this one, it's just a pair of boots. I could not find a box for this, so I just decided to just put these together. And then just put a bow on it. And then everyone can see what they look like, from all sides. Here's a Blue's Clues. Again, the only thing I did was just tape those. Just tape this and the game to the back. Then I added a couple of items to the side. Okay, then I have some clothes and a towel set. And what I did was just put those together. I left them on the hangers, and I just put them together. I'm going to put a piece of tape on it to hold it together better. But I just put them together and then put a bow on it, and I'm going to put the size on it. But I have one 3-piece set. Then I have the Frozen 2-piece sleepwear. And then I have the towel with the little doll. Here I did the same thing with this. It's 2 outfits, 2 3-piece outfits. Here's another bundle. I just put these together. A lot of these, and then another thing, a lot of these items you can just stick down inside of the bag. You don't even have to use tape. And then just pull it together. Put your bow on it. Heat shrink. I don't even think I used any glue dots or tape on this one. I think I just stuck them inside of the bag. Here's another one. A unicorn. And I just stuck the items inside of the bag with this one too. And here's another one. This is a stuffed animal elephant holding a blanket. And then a smartwatch. I just added some cookies, which I didn't tape it. That's why it's moving around. Then on top, I just added a face mask. And here's another big box. Well, here's the front. Then when you flip it over, no, that was the back. And then this is the front. I just tape down, use glue dots, and just tape down the items to the front. And then put a bow on it. And of course heat shrunk it. And here's another one where it has a Bright Time Buddies night light and a football. Then on the back, I added some cookies, candy canes on this side, and then a little spiral art toy on the back. And a juice on top. And here's another one that I haven't finished it yet, but I wanted to show you this one. This is a big box, like it's really big. So I just started using glue dots to tape the stuff on. I got some socks in here. This is a little 3D sticker, well, emoji sticker. And then a little stuffed mini Mickey Mouse. And then when you flip it over to the back, I got a coloring poster. And I got some hand sanitizer. And some face masks. This one isn't complete yet. Like I said, I'm still working on this one. I may put a couple of more items on it, glue a couple of more items on the front. But don't cover up everything. Like, I want people to be able to see, like, the game and, you know, little stuff like that. And I like to keep the age number showing also, if possible. And that's it for this video. I just want to show you all some ideas if you're running into the same problems like me finding boxes. Like, just do what I do. Just bundle them and put them together and just let it go. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And also hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And also leave a comment. I've been having a lot of likes, but only 2 or 3 comments. Come on. Y'all, come on. Show me some love.